Welcome to episode 1 of Auckland Life.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's connected with Western Springs College and Ngāpunawa. So it's two schools combined and they're like probably thousands kids.
Yeah.
2,000, 3,000.
What's good, YouTube? Back with another vlog video. Haven't done a vlog in a little bit since I was last in NZ, so thought I'll do another one because I'm off back to NZ. We're off to my brother's moko papa. He's getting his mataora done this weekend, so flying over today. I'll be in Auckland for the night tonight, and then we'll head down to Te Awamutu, Apopo. But yeah, come on the journey of this vlog. I don't know what this vlog is going to be called yet, but just meeting up with the bros now, and then we're all going down to the airport together and fly over for the bros. So that's us. Alright, whānau, we just got to the airport. Brother Jakey, Knowles is over here. Nice and early. We're all sleep deprived because we're all fit to go. Hey? Oh, yep. It's for your bags, bro. Actually, I should check the front. I feel like this is one of them. I'm only allowed 7 and it's 7 kgs. Nah. I don't even. What's yours? Yeah. Wait, this guy's one. This is like 2.3. 7, 8. Oh, I'm only like 2 kgs over. Yeah, they weigh. Because Jetstar, we're flying with Jetstar, but they like never check your carry-on bags. What's my chances of this one time they check? Well, it shouldn't be. We should be alright.
Give me your undies.
Bro, imagine that. I'll be like, oh sweet, I'll just take all my undies out. Nah, they're probably the lightest things.
Are we going parachute?
Those are too. I'll just take my undies out and be like, hey, whose are these blankets? Nah. This is the Gold Coast airport, guys. If you did not know, now you know. Hey, yeah. Look who I found. Hey, what us? We off back home. Bro's off for another kaupapa. Yeah. Hey, we on. Alright, we went through the first customs. Had to pretty much get undressed. Take the belt off, gumboots off, jacket off, everything off. Yeah, we're just walking to our terminal. It's a big walk. Fuck yeah, let's get us our box. We're just getting through duty free now. I got stopped at customs because of this guy. No. Hey, look at him. Where you going, bro? Where you off to? Yep. Everyone watch out. He's going to bomb the toilet. Look, whānau, we caught up with some more whānau over here. Everyone's going home. See? None of us want to be here. None of us are, we're all sick of Aussie. Look at us. About the third people I've seen now. Alright, we're going to head to board our plane. It got delayed a little bit. Like half an hour, 45 minutes. But we're about to make our way. And Jakey tried to sit next to the seat next to me. He tried to rebook his thing because no one's sitting next to me. I was like, no, don't you dare.
Why not?
Don't you dare.
But I
want my own space.
My legs.
My legs. I want to spread me cheeks.
Yep.
We got some dodgy fellas on our flight over here.
Little plane in Australia.
Bro, it's called so you know they're not called planes, these ones? It's an Airbus. Straight up, if you look at your like boarding pass or something, it says Airbus. We on. There better not be. This fella's still trying to sit next to me, right? Look at all the peoples.
Good morning,
All
everyone.
the peoples.
All Jetstar passengers travelling to Auckland on Jetstar Flight 131. We do ask that you have your passport open to the photo.
We're coming, bro, we're coming.
To our gate staff with your boarding pass facing our team members.
Oh, I was doing the same thing.
Samoa Tulani. Yeah, that's all I know. Hey, there he is. Hey, he's gonna do us a haka on the plane.
Oi, karite. Karite. Nah, I'm joking.
Nah, do it, bro. Do it that way.
Regalinha paki. Oi, montaria kaki no ne oki.
On.
So, bro.
Nah, you're on.
My bro. My guy, bro. Much love.
Sure, but
So what we got here is a Jetstar flight. I reckon it's gonna be uncomfortable as fuck.
absolutely. We're all in first class,
That's the one.
obviously.
Yeah.
There's only one class on here.
Yeah, only one. Unless
The
you're in the
economy?
unless you're in the cockpit. Are you in the cockpit?
Nah.
Oh.
They definitely won't let me in there, mate. I'm lucky enough to get on the flight. Yeah, Sydney, and that's hectic.
Yeah, I reckon Victoria's worse though. I remember
Really?
driving in Victoria and like the road rage in Victoria's way worse than Sydney.
Came over on one of these, and it was hell.
Oh, real?
Yeah. In a normal seat.
Yeah. Alright, we just got home finally. It's cold. We're in Auckland. Okelane. And just about to meet up with the very big T. So I can get a ride. Let's go. Alright, we just at the pickup zone. Waiting for the brother Tomatu. Big T picking us up. I'm staying with him for tonight. And then we head down to TA, I believe, tomorrow. My bro Bo's picking us up. So one of our other bros flies in tomorrow morning. So, yeah. See what we get up to for today. Hey! Hey, there he is, Fano! Whee! Cheer us! Boy. Alright, Fano. We're here. Where are we?
Te puna away o rea, my bro.
Te Puno Waiorea.
Kia ora, my bro. Kia ora whanau.
Just jumping in on, I'm just hijacking a class. Jumping in, the bro's what is it? Teacher aid, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a teacher aid. Does real classes here. And I'm just jumping in on his class. Probably not going to know half of what they're on about, but we're learning.
We're learning.
We're learning. Che.
Welcome to episode 1 of Auckland Life.
Yeah. We're gonna get a. So what? Oh, is this the? Ngā
It
puna
is,
o Waiorea? Oh yeah.
It's connected with Western Springs College and Ngāpuna Waiorea. So it's two schools combined and they're like probably thousands kids.
Yeah.
2,000, 3,000.
I only know of them from Kappers. Alright, we're on. In his element. It's the class.
Te mai puku.
2 minutes. Ka mātou te iai.
So, ka kōrero ahau kia te huinga, ka pai. Ka timata mai ki au I te mea ko au te whetū I te rangi. So, I'll start with my son because I'm the star in the sky. Ka pai. So, ka timata mai koe tuku I tauriringa ki tai kua. Ka pai. So, as we know the structure is, we've been using this for rere mahi ne, kei te hanga ahau I te whare, but now we're going to convert it into a Pasaka mug. Hangaia te whare, mātaki hia te pōka whakata, pānui tia te pukapuka, hangaia te whare.
It's recording now.
Yep.
Indi. Mahi. Mahi.
Kea te huinga te motu kaore au.
Kaore te huinga. Ramai.
Tēnei, ēnei. Ka pai? Tēnei, ēnei. Changes the object to plural. So, tēnei, tēnā, tērā, singular. This, that over there. Ēnei, ēnā, ērā. Ka pai? Questions. Ka pai? E hoa, kia hia nā hoiho, nā whānau, bear in mind, no tū hoi te tangata nei, no reira, hoiho, e waka. Ka pai? So, tamiki makarang, it's a pet. Ka pai? Drive past the meadow, look at that pet, give me some grass, yeah, ka pai, yeah. But tūhoi, they still use horses as mode of transportation. Ka pai? So, kei a koe te tikanga, he orane.
Whakapahi te tūru mō te whaka.
Sneak in all the biscuits.
Ka pai? Maiwa, kōrua, raiwa. Ka pai? Kia hia ngā tōkina mō rāua.
Kia hua ngā tōkino mō rātou.
Rāua.
Rāua, sorry.
Ka pai? Kei te marama?
Ai.
Te tauira anō? Another example? Ka pai. Chief?
I'll get it right.
E hara
Kia
tō
kaha,
te
kia kaha.
Kia hia ngā tūru mō māua.
Kia rua ngā tūru mō kōrua.
Now the reason being, whānau, there's 4 people on the board. If I'm talking to taumatu, this is me and the other person, which is friend, which would be Kay, taumatu, Rebecca and Phoebe. Ka pai, me and Phoebe, maiwa. Taumatu and Rebecca, Rebecca and Phoebe. Those are the pronouns that we're talking about. Ka pai?